Welcome to Montessori Education.
Montessori English Medium School. Admissionlu jaruguchunnvi. Montessori English Medium School. Burripalam Road, Tenali. Phone 08644 227115.
Hello and welcome to class 10 video classes. Now our video number is 16. Previous I said about the real numbers. Now I am going to introduce about the new chapter. The chapter name is pair of linear equation in two variables. So what the chapter number 4? Name is pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the chapter. Page number 73. Okay. Pair of linear equation in two variables we are going to introduce. Now I start with the chapter first. Constant, which are called the constants. Constant means it is a fixed numerical, we cannot change. It is a fixed numerical, we cannot change. It is called a constant. It is fixed, we cannot change. For example, 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. The 6 is called constant. We cannot put any value there in place of 6. 6 means 6. Nothing changed. So then 6 is called here constant. Now come to here variable, which is called the variable. I have written here 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. The x is called variable, the 6 is called constant. What about 3? The 3 is called coefficient of x. The 3 is called coefficient of x. Okay. When constant means it is a fixed numerical, but variable it is not a fixed. It may be changes. For example, if you x is equal to 1, the value changes. You do x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 3. Then you get the different values. We can do for x different numericals. So such is always called variable. Variables are, it is linear equation in one variable. For example, I have written here 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the two variables. Which are the variables here? X and y. Here which is the variable? X. This is called linear equation in one variable. This is called linear equation in two variables. So first you got the equation. What is the meaning of the equation? Equation means equation. For example, here 2x plus 5. Yes, it is one expression. It is a polynomial. But whenever you put is equal to 0 or is equal to something, not only 0, we can put different number also. Then an expression, whenever you get is equal to symbol, then it is reduced as a equation. Equation means one expression is there, the expression whenever you have to use the symbol of equal, then it will be reduced, otherwise it is converted to as a equation. Again come to here. What is the meaning of constant? The fixed numerical is always called a constant. Next, what is the meaning of the variable? Variable means you have to put such different values in place of x and y. That means the x and y is called variables. What is called here 2 and 3? The 2 is the coefficient of x and minus 3 is called the coefficient of y. They are all the coefficients. Now come to the equation. The variable, the expression, whenever you put or whenever you have to keep or kept is equal symbol, then it is reduced to as a linear equation. As a equation. Sir, but what about the linear equation? We are studying in the 9th class. Linear polynomials, quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials and like that. But linear polynomial means how much here power is there? 1. The equation which has with degree 1, degree or power, degree means highest power. Degree 1 is called linear equation. Here also how much degree is there? 1. Here also how much power is there? 1. So the highest power of degree is always called a, it is a highest power of degree is represent the power, which is here how much is there here? 1. Here 1, here 1. So the highest degree is 1, highest power is 1 or degree is 1 is called linear. Sir, for example, degree is 2, that is called quadratic. Degree is 3, that is called cubic polynomial. Then it will be converted as a equations whenever you put the equal symbol. So first I am said about the linear, which are called the linear polynomials. The expression which has the degree with 1 is called linear polynomial. The linear polynomial are put in equal symbol, then it will be converted as a linear equation. It is a linear equation, one variable 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. S 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in two variables because of here variables are x and y. Okay. Now this is the about the chapter. But here linear equation, how many are there? Paid. Paid means 2. Now come to the here. Again once again, what is the meaning of the constant? The fixed numerical is called a constant. What is the variable? Variable means you can changes. It is not a fix. We can replace in place of x and y any numerical. Then x and y is called a variables. It may be changes. There is no problem. And equation. The equation means the linear expression whenever using the equal symbol, then it will be converted as a equation. So which are called the linear equations? The linear polynomials are called a linear equation. Which are linear polynomials? The degree with 1 is called linear polynomials. Degree 1. Degree means highest power 1 is called linear polynomials. Degree 2 quadratic. Degree 3 cubic. But we are studying about the 1 means linear polynomials. The linear polynomials, whenever you put the equal symbol, that will be converted as a linear equations. Linear equation, one variable and two variables. For example, you are using the variable only 1 x, then linear equation one variable. We are using the two variables, then it will be called linear equation in two variables. Next, pair of linear equations. For example, here 5x minus 5 plus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. It is also linear equation in two variables. This is also linear equation in two variables. Pair means how many are there? 2. These two will be called pair of linear equations are simultaneous equations. What is called simultaneous equation? What is the meaning of simultaneous equation? The pair of linear equation in two variables. The pair of linear equation in two variables is called simultaneous equations. In this chapter, you are only discussing about the simultaneous equations. Means we will talk about the two equations. Okay? Otherwise, you can do like that. A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This two is called simultaneous equations. So you get comparison with these two. a1 plus how much is there here? 5. Here b1 plus how much is there? Nothing is there means you don't write y. Here nothing is there means what is there here? 1. So what is the b1 value? Minus 1. What is the c1 value is there here? 7. What is the a2 value? Don't write x. Before nothing is there means they have to consider as a 1. So what is the b2 value? 3. What is the c2 value here? Minus 5. Okay? Now, we have the called paid-off linear equation in two variables is called simultaneous equations. Now come to the chapter. The paid-off linear equations you can solve by two methods. First method is graphically, and second algebraically. First method graph and second method is algebraical. Exam they will give, solve these two equations by using the graph. Solve these two equations by algebra. Algebra also some methods are there. You should be purchased our graph book and do the questions in graph book only using the graph papers. First, write one question for example here, like solve x plus 2y is equal to 30. 2x plus 4y is equal to 66 by graphically. By graphically means you should be follow the graph method. What equations are given? X plus 2y is equal to 30 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. Solve by graphically. How you can solve? This is the new equation 1 name. This is new equation 2. We are discussing about this all total chapter in the two equations. These two equations should be called paid-off equation. The paid-off equations is called simultaneous equations. Which equations they are given here? X plus 2y is equal to 30 and 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. Solve by graphical method. You use the graph. Okay. First you do in your rough book. Which are you get success, then you have to do on graph paper. First you do in our white page. Then you got satisfied. Then only you can put in the graph paper. First solution using equation 1. What is equation is there? X plus 2y is equal to 30. We can bring any variable x or y from left to right. But I am here bring the y from left to right. So x is equal to written 30 minus 2y. Here there is no x coefficient. If for example here some x coefficient is there, the coefficient should be kept in the denominator. Come to the denominator. But here 1 is there. No need we have to write here. And for example here 4 is there. We come into the denominator by 4. Already are learned in the class 9th also. Now we put the one box for x and y values. How many values are you need? You take any either 3 values, 4 values, 5 values. But minimum 2 values are requirement. Minimum at least 2. Why? It is from a line. Line means line segment. You know very well the line segment has how many endpoints? 2 endpoints. So the 2 values for x and y is the compulsory need. More than you are taking, that is better. There is no problem. But you take at least 2 values for x and y because the line segment has only 2 endpoints. Now come to the question. You take different values. I have put in the y place 0. 0. I am doing the solution here. 30 minus 2 into 0. 30 minus 2 into 0, 0. So how much value x I got here? 30. Now, you can take some positive values and negative values. You don't take all are positive, all are negative. Because when you take into some different positive, different negative values, the line will come lengthy. Otherwise, what happened? The line will be very shortly, come to the very small line. Like that mistake of line will come. But I need one long, lengthy line. So that means I will cover all the coordinates. Now, I am going to take in here, for example, here 4. 2 4 8. 30 minus 8. How much? 22. So see here. I have also done the mistake. What I mistake? I am supposing a 4 for value, but I am written here x. This is the wrong. Sometimes they will do like that also. Where you are taking the 4 in place of y. So you write here 4 in the down. What the value x you are getting here? 22. Sometimes they will do mistake. They are supposing in one place, they are written another place. Then also you will get the difficulty in the graph. So you should be careful. What we are doing, you do the very care. Now I am going to take some negative values. What the negative values I am taking here? For example, I am taking here in place of 550. 2 5 15, 30 minus 30, 0. I am taking here minus 2. Minus 2 means how much you are getting here? Minus minus plus 2 to 4. So you are getting here 34. So I am taking 3 positive values and 1 negative value. Otherwise you will take 2 positive values, 2 negative values. No sir, I will take 1 more 2 values. Yes, you can take 1 more 2 values also. Minimum how many values are requirement? Only 2 values are requirement. But I am taking my choice 4 values. Sir, others I want interest to take the 6 numericals. You can take 6. We can take 7. But don't waste your more time. You want to save the time also, that is very important. Now come to the equation 2. So using the equation 2. Now I am going to be using the equation 2. What is here given? 2x plus 4y is equal to 66. 2x is equal to 66 minus 4y. And x is equal to 66 minus 4y by 2. Because here x coefficient, how much is there? 2. The 2 come to the denominator. Here nothing is there, there is no need you have to write. Here something, any coefficient there, the coefficient compulsory you keep in the denominator. Now come to the here. Again you form one box. xy. Now I am taking it by place of y, 0. 0. 4 into 0, 0. 66 minus 0, 66. 66 divided by 2. How much you will get? 33. Yes. This no need you do the rough one. You can do by oral. No need you take the paper and pen, you do the calculation. This everything is no need. But you will do on the here 33. Again next come to the here. First again 66 minus 4y by 2. Next you will take one more numerical. Which number you have to take? You will take 3. Yes, you can take 3. 66 minus 4 into 3 by 2. 66. 4 is how much? 12. 66 minus 12 how much? Here 54. 54 divided by 2 how much? 27. 3 I am taking here. I got here 27. 27. One more numerical you will take here, negative number. Which is unique negative number you will take? I will take here, for example here minus 1. Minus 1. How much you will reduce? 66 minus plus 4 by 2. 66 plus 4, how much? 68. 68 divided by 2. How much you will get here? 38. 68 divided by 2. 34. How much you will get here? 34. Minus 1 means how much you got here? 34. Again once again, they will do two type of the equations. First equation we are using. We got some x and y values. Here keep in the box. Next, again using equation 2. You will get some values for x and y. Keep in the box. Now this video classes you should be learn how to can find the values of the boxes only. In the next previous classes, we will discuss about how to draw the graph. Okay? So, I will do 1 or 2 questions homework for to you. Just only prepare the values of the boxes. Only prepare the values of boxes. Okay? Now come to the here. First, I written the question for homework. Find 4 solutions. Find 4 solutions. Equations I have written here. Find the 4 solutions. Find the 4 solutions of here. You find the 4 solutions. 2x minus y is equal to 4. 4x minus 2y is equal to 6. These two equations you have to find the values. This for 4 values, this for 4 values. We can do it. Okay? Thank you for today.